Hi, welcome to Black Histories.
In this video, we have a fun quiz for you.
This is a general knowledge Black history quiz.
You can find most of these answers in our videos.
Test your Black history knowledge with this fun quiz.
So, let's go! You have 5 seconds to answer each question. The answers are in our videos. So if you have watched them, how much do you remember? Good luck!
Question 1. What was Dr. Martin Luther King Jr.'s birth name? Michael Luther King.
Question 2. What was Malcolm X's surname at birth? Little.
Question 3. What was Muhammad Ali's birth name? Cassius Clay.
Question 4. What month is Black History celebrated in the UK? October.
Question 5. In what year did Juneteenth celebrations start? (1866) in Texas.
Question 6. What is the meaning of Nelson Mandela's birth name? Rolihlahla. Troublemaker.
Question 7. In what city did the bus boycott following Rosa Parks' arrest take place? Montgomery, Alabama.
Question 8. In what year did Barrack Obama get elected to become the first African American president? (2008).
Question 9. What country is Pele from? Brazil.
Question 10. Snoop Dogg has a world record. True or false? True.
Question 11. What tattoo did Aaliyah have? She has 4 tattoos. The letter A on the side of her wrist, an Egyptian ankh in her inner wrist, a music symbol on her ankle, and a dove on her lower back.
Question 12. What is Rihanna's birth name? Robin Rihanna Fenty.
Question 13. What month is Frederick Douglass's birthday? February.
Question 14. What does the C stand for in NAACP? Coloured.
Question 15. What are the colours of the UNIA flag? Red, black and green.
Question 16. In what city did Martin Luther King give the I Have a Dream speech? Washington.
Question 17. What month is Nelson Mandela Day celebrated? July.
Question 18. Name one of Garrett Morgan's inventions. The 3-position traffic signal, a smoke hood, a belt fastener for sewing machines, a zigzag attachment for sewing machines, hair straightening cream, a hair straightening comb, and a self-extinguishing cigarette.
Question 19. What country was Mary Seacole born in? Kingston, Jamaica.
Question 20. What country was Haile Selassie from? Ethiopia.
Question 21. What religion is Haile Selassie associated with? Rastafarianism.
Question 22. Where is Lewis Hamilton from? Stevenage, England.
Question 23. What football team is John Barnes most known for playing in? Liverpool.
Question 24. What colour food do people eat on Juneteenth? Red.
Question 25. Name a founding member of the Black Panther Party. Bobby Seale or Huey P. Newton. You have now come to the end.
I hope you enjoyed this quiz.
Add a comment below and let us know what you thought and how many questions you got right.
Check out some of our other videos if you would like to learn more about Black history.
Thanks for watching
And stay safe.